Hi, I'm Ronald de Huizer, and I'd like to give you a small demo of an application I wrote called GMOMNG. GMOMNG allows you to control all your lights and all your devices via RFXCOM, and yeah, the app is available via the Android market, and I wanted to quickly give you a demo. So I just installed it on my Samsung Galaxy Tab, and we're gonna start it right now. Since it's the first time we're running the app, it allows you to configure the RFXCOM device. So we've got this one big button here, configure RFXCOM device. Let's push it, and here you can define all your settings about your RFXCOM receiver and transmitter, like the IP address and the port. But there is also this button called Auto Discover RFXCOM device, and what it'll do in fact is it will scan your network for an RFXCOM transceiver, and here we are. It just found the RFX transceiver on an IP address. So now we're ready to use GMOMNG. But the first thing to do is now to add locations, because the way it's intended to be used is that you create all your different floors, and then in your different floors you create your rooms, and then for each room you can start adding devices. So for example, we are now going to add a location, because we're now on the first floor. We're going to add the first floor. So here we go, first floor. Oh, typo. And this is the first floor with the living room and home office. So we're done. We're also going to add an icon. Since it's a first floor, I'm going to choose for the one. Save. So this is already our first floor. And now on our first floor we're going to add a room. We're going to add the living room, because that's where we are now. And I'm already going to give this a nice icon. What about a couch? A living room. The living room. With the Christmas tree. And we're going to save. So now we've got our first floor with our living room. We can add as many rooms as we want, so we're going to continue now here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a new device for our Christmas tree, which you can see over there in the corner. I'm going to do the lights off now, so because you can see how it all integrates nicely. So we're now going to add a device instead of a location. Name of the device is Christmas tree. We don't want to give that one a description. And now we're going to add a device code. And now we've got the option to let GMOMNG learn the device code automatically, or you can add the device code manually. Here in this case we're going to let it learn the device code automatically. That's in fact the signal that is transmitted by a transmitter. I've got my transmitter here. I'm going to press the button and the lights go on, and what you can see also here on the screen is that GMOMNG now learned the device code of the Christmas tree in this case. And now we're going to do save device. So we're ready now, we've got our setup done, and now we can start controlling our Christmas tree via our phone. If I now press the off button, you should see the lights go out, and if I now press the on button again, you should see the lights go on. There we go. So exciting times for us. We're also creating a new release which integrates with Google, so that allows you to save your